So just so everybody knows, I've done some steps since yesterday, and I've also got my .env and all my API keys and things ready. But basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using quite an old method of mine for finding keywords on Etsy that are selling right now. So if I just show you what this looks like, if I do site etsy.com/listing, in text, item reviews 500 to 10,000, and in title sticker, is there sound and everything? Then what that does is it shows us designs that are currently selling. So let me show you this in action. If I open this, you'll see that this exact item has 1,323 designs. Okay, so it's not reviews for this shop, it's literally reviews for this item. You can see the last sale was, or the last review was yesterday, and then 17th of August, 16th of August, 16th of August, 9th of August, 4th of August. So this is obviously a selling product, okay? So if I go to Google and type Ahrefs keyword generator, and we'll use the free version of Ahrefs instead of the paid version, just because, yeah, it's free. So click on the first one here, and then if we search for I love outside,
I love peeing during the stream.
then we'll see that the actual keyword here, I love peeing outside sticker, has up to 100 searches per month. So this is kind of the logic that we're running with, okay? Now there are loads of these examples. You are safe with me. I saw a really good one which was emotional support water bottle, which I absolutely love. You can see 1,810 reviews on this exact product. It's selling constantly, as you can see here. 26th of August, 25th of August, 24th of August, 23rd of August, 21st of August, etc., etc. So let me put this in the live stream chat just quickly, in case people want to play around with it and stuff. So let's go to the live. And yeah, this is the search operator. You literally just need to put this on Google, okay? Now the cool thing is you can change the word sticker for whatever the hell you want. So we can put t-shirt, for example, if you want to sell something that's a bit more expensive. You can see, let's scroll down a little bit. Hey everyone. Born to fish, forced to work. Beautiful. 849 reviews. 24th of August, 16th of August, 6th of August. You know, it's pretty much endless. That's kind of funny. Yeah, same. So yeah, again, loads of reviews on the actual item, not on the store itself, and you can see reviews from very recently. So this is the logic that we're going to be using. Okay. So now what we have to do is we have to create something that can handle this. So I'm going to remove the irrelevant ones for now. So we're not going to be doing Printify, we're not going to be doing flux or image generation in this actual video. And then I've written a prompt which is pretty extensive that just gives the AI everything it needs. I don't think I'm going to read through all this. It's just literally saying step by step what I want the process to be and how I want it to happen. So I'm just going to copy this, and then I'm going to use Ada again because I like to do things in a risky way, I suppose. And let me just see if I can get this to go immediately. There's no env, so I need to make the env. So I learned a few things yesterday while I was using this tool, basically. So we'll see if I can implement this. And I also took a lot of people's advice on how to make the actual script. So we'll do pip install ada chat. I would say that this keyword tool will be done by the end of this live stream. This time I'm a bit more confident in that. Sometimes one of the problems is if you try and do everything at once, it doesn't actually do each step properly. So it's best to do each step one at a time. And then I can very easily add, whatever else to the system to cover, image generation or uploading to Printify and Etsy and everything. So we'll let this install. You have to do this every time for some reason. Every time there's a new VM. It's kind of like incognito mode. That's what VM is. This does take a little bit of time, so we'll just leave it. So just in case people are wondering what this is going to do, I guess we can go through that quickly. So one, it's going to do a search operator search on data for SEO. Then it's going to extract URLs and titles from that. Then it will do a search for the keyword on Google to get traffic data, etc. Then it will give you basically ideas for designs which are already selling on Etsy, basically. So that's the process that we're trying to do in this session. Okay, so you can see here we have the models already there, so that's perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab this prompt. I'm going to say ask. I will input the variables into the .env afterwards. Please start by assessing step by step how you would achieve this process, and then we'll paste all of this, which seems like a lot, but a lot of it is just documentation. Oh, hello. Doesn't seem to have my API key, so we'll just quit out for 1 second. Go off my screen quickly. Oh yeah, because I deleted it obviously yesterday. Are you off my screen, yeah? Yeah, okay. It's always API stuff. No matter what I do, no matter how planned I am. What is it? Set X Anthropic API key equals. I hate my life. Where is it? Ugh. Yeah, so I'm just setting the API key for Ada because, yeah, I deleted the API key after the stream, after I showed it on stream about 15 times yesterday. Roxy, I'm not really a coder, that's probably why. Hey everyone, welcome to the stream. Okay, you can go back on. No, wait. Okay, now you can go back on. Ask. So let's do this again. Wait. Start by explaining step by step how you would implement all of these into one system that can be easily used by anyone with no user authentication and no database, just a simple start up with a requirements.txt and a .env file plugin. and that's it. I will fill in the .m file later, just make it with the values you see here. And then paste. So this is pasting my entire prompt, which I built before. I knew that wasn't going to work. That's so weird that it doesn't work. We're probably just going to have to skip to using something else, to be honest with you, instead of Ada. So I'll just delete this. Okay, so let's make the pivot over to Claude then, because that's clearly not working. I kind of wanted it to make all the files that I needed, but it's kind of annoying. Please use as few files as possible and also give me the infrastructure needed. Start by telling me how you would achieve all of this. I really wanted to use Ada. It's so annoying that Ada doesn't work. That's way too much. Okay, this is looking good though. I do have Cursor downloaded, but I don't think I'm going to use it right now. What? I just installed it. It's so weird. Does anyone know why this isn't working? Like, it's really pissing me off. Okay, I guess for now we should start. I'm going to do two windows at the same time. I'm going to do two different things at the same time. Sorry guys, I just really want to get Ada to work. Makes things so much quicker. Okay, so it's been a while since I've started a Next.js project, but we will try this now. It's probably not installed, is it? You're going to have to watch me struggle through this now, guys, because now I can't even get a new Next.js going. Maybe it needs a VM. It's normally the answer, isn't it? So weird. This stuff just never works when I'm on stream, I swear. God damn it, I can't even make a Next.js project now. Jesus. There we go.
Should we just do an introduction?
Yeah, so I'm trying to just struggle through making a Next.js project right now, guys. I'm trying to just make things nice and simple and easy, but every single time this stuff happens, so I have no idea what I should even say to any of these. That's so weird. I've installed it like, God, dude. Okay, so we have my app here, perfect. Now we can start to slot these bits in. So we've got a dashboard component. So we need to follow the structure. Where does this go? I hate doing this manually, it's so annoying. So, oh, there we go, components. This goes in components. Ah, God, right. I need to make the components thing. Okay, create or update source page index. Source pages index.js. TSX, sorry, obviously. Okay, now we're making progress. Now I can press copy here, paste there, save. Okay. Pages API search. It's another folder inside pages. Yeah. Now let's create the utility functions. Source lib. So what is that? Data for SEO.ts. This might just work at the end of all this, possibly. Source lib Claude API.ts. Oops. I need to add a .m file. Doesn't look like it's going to work. A lot of these issues are just import issues, which is good. And then we'll say I don't actually know how to run this. Is it npm run dev? No, npm install. Okay, I don't even know how to run this thing. That is npm run dev. God, Ada would be so much quicker. I set the API key though. I don't understand why it's doing that. It even says here that this has been activated. It's so weird. Oh well, back to just doing it bloody manually, I guess. Claude will return soon. What? As if. It's down. Wait, I was just using that though. I need that back. Jesus. That would have been annoying. Next build, next start, next lint. Yeah, it's there. Oh, that's why I'm not even in the fucking right directory, obviously. Okay. I didn't do npm install. Okay, we've got something. That is just the standard Next.js starter though, which is interesting. Where is it getting that from? Shouldn't it be showing this instead? Oh look, it's already in title options. That's pretty sick actually. This might actually work. I think I'm fairly close to getting this to actually do something useful. I think get started by source app page. Source app. Hey Nick the Kid, how you doing? Let me see. Is this the right directory setup? I know I could be using cursor, guys. I just haven't got experience with it. Move pages to source/app. Pages. Okay, right, that's the issue. I need to rename this to page.tsx, and this needs to go inside source app. This needs to be inside the app. Here. Oh. Oh, yeah, that could be right. Okay, failed to compile. That's better than nothing. Okay, so now what we can do is we can send these errors to Claude. It might have already fixed some of these, to be fair. Now create a file, source components dashboard.tsx. Okay, we can do that. Source components, so src. Does it already have one called components? No. I would have much rather just used fucking Ada. I hate this shit. Doing this manually is actually torture. What is this supposed to be called? Dashboard.tsx. Source app API search app. Jesus Christ. Seems to be adding more fucking problems. That's not working, is it? Let's have a look. Yep, that's created more problems instead of less. We will get there, guys. I've never even used Next.js, to be fair. Well, rarely. If I'd just done Python and Flask, I probably would have been done by now. I had to just be complicated. Oh my god, please Claude, stop. Not what I need right now. Source components, source components, dashboard.tsx. It already says use client. God, it's so much easier using something like Ada. The main problem is that your source app page.tsx files contain both the server component and the client component logic. Let's separate these. Thanks, Madman Meditation. Let's separate these concerns and fix the structure. Source app page.tsx. Okay. Well, that's the whole page.tsx. Okay. Update your source components dashboard. SRC components dashboard, yeah. Ensure that root.ts. Oh, right, well, I mean, that would probably help. Didn't even have ShadCN UI installed. It's so stupid.
Can you give a short summary of what we just done?
Yeah, so I'm working on a keyword tool for Etsy, which will automatically find selling keywords on Etsy, and then I'll translate that into making a tool that will also create designs for you, and then eventually will also automatically upload to Printify. I'm doing it live because I think it's interesting that people see this kind of stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So dashboards.tsx. I just don't. I'm not used to cursor yet. I will use it eventually. I just haven't got used to it yet. We getting anywhere? Oh dear Lord. We're getting worse. You got the fabric on there. That's an improvement. I mean, I can try it, I guess, because this is taking the piss now. Everyone's going crazy about it, so.
Maybe that can be tomorrow's stream.
It could be, but like I could do with a hand right now of actually getting this project set up. Maybe I can get Sonnet to work here, or Ada. Oh, it works. What the? Why are you in French? Why are you French? Okay, let's switch back to English. Thanks. Okay. Ask, can you set up a next? Okay. Okay, well, yeah, I'm using Cursor now, and it seems to be actually working with Ada, which is amazing. So this might actually be like significantly faster. So yeah, it decided to be French for some reason. What this code do? It's going to be an Etsy keyword tool. I don't know. Let's see if this works then. At least now I can have everything in one place. It's so annoying putting things in files manually. Like, I kind of wanted to cry before. So let's see if this actually works. It seems to be making it before it's even bothered to create the Next.js project, but I guess that's fine. It's done it actually in the exact same way. That's hilarious. The really cool thing with Ada and things, you can use inbuilt Sonnet Assistant with Control L. Ooh, thank you for that. But it didn't actually do anything, as far as I know. Oh, sorry, yeah, create new file, yes. Yes. Yeah, I will be using that. I'm just seeing if I can get the project made, basically. I know that I'm using Ada inside Cursor, which doesn't really make sense, but I will use, what is it, Control L. I will use that in a second. So I can just press Control L. Okay, interesting. I don't think I've added my API key, so I don't know where it's getting that from. But yeah, this is, I'll start using Cursor, because I mean, if enough people tell you something, you should probably listen.
Magnet Su asks, are you working with an Etsy API v3?
I don't know yet. Let me. Oh, this is exactly what I needed. Thanks. Interesting. Well, potentially. I'm probably just going to use Printify anyway, but Printify API. Oh my god. Sorry, everyone. Seems to be having issues, so I might just... Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine. How do I start a project with this then? Use this source to give you SaaS, some SaaS. Yes, exactly. This is kind of confusing as well. This is what I need. This is just the front end though, it seems. No, it has a back end too. Interesting. How do I split them all? It's just going to say, yes, of course I can, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so this hasn't set up either. So the only issue is I don't know how to actually start a, can we start a new Next.js project? Okay, so again, this doesn't do it for you, right? So the Control L doesn't actually make files for you, so that's kind of annoying as well. It seems to only be Ada that will actually start projects for me. So if I just scroll up, oh, great, I've lost that. That's annoying. Okay, so ask, no code, start a new Next.js project. I thought this ran code and stuff. Doesn't actually do it, it's annoying. So So the only problem with these tools is they don't actually do these kind of things. Oh, wait. You can choose your preferences. I have no idea what my preferences are. Why do yeah, I guess I can use TypeScript. Just press enter a load of times, that's fine. Oh, there they are. There are the commands, so it can run them. Wait, I need to cd out of this. Oh no, this is fine. Okay. Well, at least this works. The bloody, what's it called? Ada. I think this is better. Does anyone have experience with virtual addresses for SEO? I'm launching an ecom in the US, but I don't have an address. You can normally pay people on like Fiverr or whatever. I think it's fine. I think that's totally fine to do. Why will it not run the fucking thing? It's so annoying. There we go. Now it's making the app. Right, perfect. So now we have an app inside Ada, which means we can much more easily achieve what we're trying to achieve. Perfect. Okay, there we go. Right, perfect. So now that works, now that's running. Now we can go back to Ada and do code, and then send this on. And then let's see if it just does it. Wow, it does a really, 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 really good job. I'm slightly more confident now, guys. Okay, so what are these pages called? Should be able to go to... There should be a page here somewhere. It keeps doing this. It does this a lot on GPT Pilot as well. I'm not really sure what the issue is. Where is that Etsy keyword finder.tsx? What folder is this? Yeah, Ada's pretty interesting, to be fair. Let's see if this runs. It doesn't run. Missing script dev, that's okay. There we go, look. Page.tsx, is that still the same? Yeah, still this cell, that's fine. I'm missing something. Oh no, I am in Big Boss. Trying to work out where these pages are. I don't really fully understand where they are. So I created a new one in Big Boss. You can see there. CD into Big Boss. I said yes. And CD into Big Boss. And then it ran it and it didn't work. Where is this header.tsx though? I don't understand. I'm not even using a mouse as well. Day looks. Okay, this looks like it could be where the code is supposed to be. I don't know why, but it just seems to have dumped the code outside of the directory that I thought we were working in. What do you do? Run the... I'm not even in Big Boss. Oh. Run cd Big Boss. Run the... Yeah, I don't seem to be in the right directory, which is kind of stupid. Can you put me in the Big Boss directory? Why am I not in this directory? I swear I'm supposed to be in this directory. Yeah, the trackpad too, I know. It's crazy, right? Can't seem to get it to CD into the right thing. So maybe I have to work from here. That's probably why. Okay, that's not too bad. This is getting a little bit complicated though. This is still going to be the bloody Vercel thing, yeah, I knew it. So for some reason it's put everything outside, or I am outside of Big Boss in Ada, which is annoying. Oh wait, we can run these commands. Okay, still not working. That's kind of frustrating. I think I need to delete everything and start again. Oh, obviously I have a folder called test. What am I doing? Oh. Test 4, solid. Okay, so I think I'm almost there now. I kind of get how this works, finally. The cool thing about this is you can chat with your code base, which I'm looking at now. That's super, super interesting to me. This will be really good for Harvard stuff. Yeah, I'm starting clean, exactly. I am done. It's literally what I'm doing. I don't know what the hell happened then, but... Well, I do know what happened. As you said, I have two going at the same time. I hope people saw the second installment of SEO 101. I'm doing a SEO course from start to finish for free. This is the second episode, and there's an entire playlist in the description here. So there's the first episode and then the second episode. I'm doing an entire series there. So make sure you check it out, guys, if you're curious, if you want some help with SEO for free. I'm just going to close this one because I don't want to get confused. This is probably going to be quite a long stream, by the way, guys. I'm planning on keeping going because I want to get this done. If we can just do the keyword tool today, that would be amazing. Okay. I don't like that it makes these pages first, because then shouldn't they be done after? Oh, are you kidding me? Not this again. Really? Oh, don't start again. Why, dude? It was working fine. Why does it have to do this? Makes no sense. I didn't change anything. Ugh, so fucking annoying. I knew it. I need to know what's causing this because it is really getting on my nerves now. Reinstall PEX spout. That sounds about right. Might be something to do with this. I knew it wasn't going to work. So how do I just delete everything? I might not make a GitHub thing. I feel like that's probably having an effect. Wait. Oh, whatever. Once Ada chat is perfect, this thing is just going to be absolutely insane. Like, imagine being able to just code things like this. There's a few problems with it. I don't really know what's causing this issue. Okay, apparently I'm the only person on the world who has this error. Seems highly unlikely, but okay. Ada's been around for a long time as well. Why can't it just be this easy for me? Like, why does it always have to be so complicated for me? Yeah, it's nice and easy for you, isn't it, mate? Oh, not a Python snake game. It's always the Python snake game. Interesting. DeepSeek Coder v2, that's interesting. I swear to God, why does that still come up? Like, it's not going to work, I know already, because that came up. I said don't make any changes to the original files. Oh, I knew it. Oh, God's sake, give me some patience in this world. Like, why? Really? Now I have to get it to work just because of my own sanity. I didn't do anything different. Why did it stop working? DeepSeek Code is pretty good and it's free, yeah. It looks pretty interesting. Seem to be able to use it with Ada, which is nice. Opus is 100% here. That's interesting. I think you're supposed to use OpenAI and Sonnet. I've only been using Sonnet. I think that's potentially part of the problem. Oh, Ada supports adding web pages to the chat using the web URL, using Playwright. That's interesting. Voice coding. Okay. Ada is available as 2 Docker images. Interesting. Yeah, Docker might help like a lot here.
Just a lot of insult.
Docker? Yeah, I do, yeah. But not in this VM, because every virtual environment is new. So. Yeah, use the ask command first. Use clear to discard the chat history and make a fresh start. That's very good to know. Can you drop in extra files? Use ask to discuss. Use the model command to switch between models. If Ada is hopelessly stuck, just code the next step. Okay. Just code the next step yourself. Okay. Beautiful. Should not be this hard to start Next.js project with Ada. Okay, and then we'll do Ada Sonnet. Why is it French? Please God work. Oh man, this fucking thing, dude. I knew that was going to happen. Right, well. Super frustrating, guys. I really thought I was going to have something this time, but again, just Ada has broken down. I'm going to try one more thing before I go, which is try it here again. Very, very, very annoying. If anyone has a fix for that, I would love to know.
Somebody saying that IT Riddick OP similar to Ada but a lot better.
What is?
IT Riddick OP. See Fred Castman. Said it's similar to Ada but a lot better.
I'm not seeing it. How far down is it? Oh, Fred Castman.
In the middle. Beside Magnetsu.
Fred Castman?
Yeah. See it says IT Riddick OP.
Hang on. You say Control I is the new composer. Ah. But can Cursor not run actual commands for you? Because I would... Oh. Oh, okay, right. Maybe we can just do it like this then. Interesting. Let's try like this then. That's fine. Oh, it is making pay. Oh, okay. It does do that. Interesting. Okay. Interesting. This looks like it might work. Already done that. Already done that. Let's do this. Oh, then run Ada. Okay, yeah, we could try that. I could also just continue doing this though. This seems to actually be working now. Is Ada in your path? Probably not, no. Hang on guys, just going to try do something real quick. Okay, so it hasn't actually, interesting. I need to go into a VM. Oh man, now there are 2 source folders. Yeah, I thought that. This seems all empty though, so I can probably just delete this. He said hopefully. Hasn't seemed to actually have done anything that I asked it to do. Well, it seems to have messed this up somehow, which is, at least it's doing something, I guess. Could have sworn I saw it doing something before, but I don't know where that went. It was here. Does it not actually create these pages then? It's kind of annoying if it doesn't actually create the pages. How do I make this into a page, I wonder? Yeah, where am I on this? Okay. Okay. This is still just going to Vercel though. It can create pages, just ask for it. Okay, that's good to know. Guys, I'm going to check out Cursor in some more detail tonight and yeah, have a look. Please. Okay, we do have an Etsy keyword finder.tsx, which is good. Seems to be an improvement. This doesn't seem to want to do anything though. But working with Google DORK will give you older data, not too old. It's okay. Okay. Hmm. It just seems to keep trying to make things without actually making them and stuff. I don't know. It's just a bit weird. It seems to be working kind of though this time. Module not find Anthropic. Okay, that's okay. That just means we need to install Anthropic normally. We haven't actually done npm install, I just realised. Yeah, trust the process, guys. I will get there eventually. Module not found Anthropic. Okay, that's easily fixable. Okay, so there's obviously some kind of issue here with Anthropic. Oh no. Oh no, it's fine. I thought I'd lost that again, but I don't want to lose this Ada instance, because if I lose it, then God knows what I'm going to do. Okay, we're getting somewhere now, I can feel it. I don't like what it's doing here. This is annoying me. I don't know why it's doing that. I guess one thing at a time though. Okay, I shouldn't have done npm run dev. It's better to do it here. Okay, now if I do npm run dev, still has issues. Could not resolve Anthropic. I just ran npm install Anthropic, so I'm not sure why that's happening. Okay, it looks like it might actually do something this time. Oh, I can debug with AI, that's good. Let's try that. Use a mixture of Ada and maybe the way how yeah, that's what I'm thinking, but where did that debug with AI come? Yeah, I think it is how Anthropic's being imported, but like I don't understand why it can't fix it. Yeah, I know it does. But I want it to fix itself, but I don't understand why it's not. I guess it doesn't want to. This file's completely wrong, I can just see it. I literally gave it that though, look. If you look here. Where is Anthropic? Yeah, I've got it right here, I know. It's just not working. Like, this is exactly how it should be implemented, but it's just deciding not to do it. No. Okay. I feel like Ada's going to get stuck fairly soon. There we go, debug with AI. So if I press apply here, okay, well it says all we need to do is install this, which I already did, and then npm run dev. And then according to this it should be fixed, but yeah, it's still not. Yeah, I knew that wasn't going to work. I understand. I'm just trying to do it here. I don't want to have to rely on other AI. I'm just trying to do it all in one. Okay. Oh my god, please, will you just... Every single time AI generates, it just has another problem. This is pretty cool though, this, there we go, finally, Jesus. Okay, now, finally, if I do npm run dev, that Anthropic thing should be fixed. And now we have a different problem. Oh, no, stop. How do I add this to the chat? That would be cool if I can do that. Add to chat, there we go. Okay. So how do I chat with this one specifically? That's what I want to know. Chat. Yeah, I'm not going to start from scratch again. I refuse. I've already done that like 5 times. It's okay. I'll work through it. It just takes time. I'm not a coder. I don't mind. I want to chat specifically with that terminal. How the hell do I do that? Okay, there we go. No. There we go. Yeah, thanks for that. I know that. I'll make sure I check everything. I can't code though, so I can't really check anything. Oh God. Okay, let's try this one more time. I just want this. I want to chat with this. Okay, I'm gonna have to upgrade to Pro, I guess, at some point. If I'm gonna be using this. I might have to upgrade to Pro. Oh. Oh! You saw it for a second then, look. So we are getting somewhere. Something good is happening. You can actually see it. Error, looks like you're running a browser-like environment. This is disabled by default. If you understand the risk in place, you can set it to true. Okay. Interesting. We're almost there, guys. Dangerously allows browser true.
See his comment.
Huh?
Look at Lighthouse Perfect.
Look at Lighthouse Perf. What is that?
As in, like, you can only see yours every. You can only see it every second, like.
Yeah, true. Almost there. Very, very almost there. I can tell. Trust me, guys. I'm a professional. The thing I don't like about this is that it gets a little bit confusing quite quickly with cursor. I don't even know if I'm logged in. I don't know what LLM this is using. I don't know how it's using my Claude. I just don't know. Like, this is pretty cool though. No, it's going to give me an error again. Yeah. I'm going to upgrade to Pro for sure. I really like Cursor so far. Thanks for the for pushing me to use it. God, this is annoying.
I'll get another good t-shirt. Fix and jet.
Okay. There are no errors. Let's see if we can see it for a second. Yeah, nice. That's pretty cool with the shad CN stuff. So now, let's see if this actually does anything. No. Of course it doesn't. I think we're pretty close now though. So let's see if we can find anything here. I guess this just doesn't even work, right? Oh, no. Okay, so okay, that's kind of weird. Right, so we do have something, finally. Let's see if we can get this to actually work now. So I'm going to give a big old prompt to cursor, and I'm going to say do it, and I'm just going to see if it works. Guys, I'm already getting confused just with this one. Please don't give me more options. I'm already confused. Like, okay, I'm clearly pressing X on that. Okay. Okay, let's not say all of this. Let's just, I want you to implement the Etsy search part as described here in the API. I also might need a .env file. I'll be interested to know how this is connected to Claude, because I don't actually know how it is. It must be through my API key, because I exported it. Okay, I don't know if it's actually doing the changes or if I have to press accept or what. Like, how does it work exactly? Just press accept here and hope it works. Like, okay, that looks like a decent implementation. Does seem to be a couple of problems with it, but that's okay. How do I go back? Nope, that wasn't what I wanted. I click on Composer at the top, okay. .m file, accept. I can fill that in a second. Search.ts, accept all. Okay. Is that everything? Okay, yeah, that's exactly what I needed to do. And then I need to install this, I guess, so we'll terminate this. Okay, and then I need to just fix the errors. I'm probably going to upgrade to Pro. Okay, that worked. You get free trial and 500 fast requests. Nice. Oh no, it didn't work. Oh, it does work. Hopefully I'm proving that anyone can code by doing this, instead of just losing my mind. Yeah, I don't like this because it uses placeholders. So wait, let me go back. What do I actually need to change? I need to return content text.trim. Oh, okay. I just need to add, right. Okay, perfect. But then that throws up more errors. Amazing. It's kind of nice being able to go down one by one with all the errors, because when you paste in from ChatGPT or whatever, there's often a lot of errors in the code. So this is a kind of nice way to do it. One of the problems I have is with this tool so far is that when you press apply, it also applies all the bullshit that you just don't want to apply. Okay. It's been quite a long stream today. I decided to just do a bit more of a chill one and not worry about, you know, getting everything done in 10 minutes like I tried to do yesterday. And then there should be one more error, which is just the fact that that's missing. Yeah, no. I kind of like this AI thing, the AI cursor. It's kind of nice. I do like it. Why is this? What is this error? What? Oh no. Oh, that worked. As if. Nice. Okay, so we are very, very almost there, I believe. Cursor's definitely a big upgrade. I do like Cursor. I'll definitely be using this from now on. Oh, is that really all I had to do? Wait, source lib API. Source lib API, it does exist, it's right there. Yeah, it's right there. I don't understand why that's not working. Hmm. Oh, is it in the wrong source thing? Source pages API. Oh yeah, I have two fucking source things again. I don't know why he keeps doing that. So this needs to be in source pages API. Source pages API, and then it's called search.ts. Right. I am in there, okay. I thought I fixed this problem before. Why would that throw up an error there? That makes no fucking sense whatsoever. God damn it. As soon as I fix this, I think we're done. Oh, position 72, are you kidding me? I've got to upgrade. You got me, cursor. That's how you got me. Position 23, 21. I could have sworn I had already fixed this problem. I've never seen this problem either. Yeah, but if I just press apply here, isn't that going to completely mess everything up? Okay, I can actually press the button. That's a new bit. Error, bad request. Okay, unauthorized, yeah. Good. Okay, I think I might have done it. Go off my screen for 1 sec. Let me just put my env in. I don't know where the hell envs go, but maybe in the app. 2 seconds. Where does the .env go in a Next.js project? It goes in the root, which is where? Source, or just in there, I guess. Okay, and then you off my screen?
Yep.
Okay, you can go back on my screen. Oh, wait, I'll go off for 1 second.
Yeah, enough.
Okay. Okay, so if I am not mistaken, which I wouldn't be surprised if I was mistaken. Now, finally, when I press search on here, this is going to do something. What do you mean? Wait, let me refresh. Bastard. Unauthorized. Why would it be unauthorized? Okay. The only option I have is that the IP address hasn't been added, so I'll just try that quickly. We're almost there, guys. Might be a couple more streams until I've got this done, but that's kind of the idea. Struggle through this together. Yeah, it's already been whitelisted. So that's not the issue either. Go off my screen for 1 sec.
2 seconds.
You off?
Yep.
Okay, you can go back on my screen. So there's obviously some kind of problem here. I don't really know what the problem is, so we'll just send all this to cursor. They're not incorrect. That's crazy. That's so annoying. Of all the things that could be going wrong. Maybe the .m file is in the wrong place. It's right there, .env. Post to there, unauthorized. Why would it be unauthorized? Go off my screen. I need to go into the .env file again and understand what the hell is going on. Oh, okay. No, console log, no. Well, I guess I could. I mean, you can, yeah. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix this. This is kind of weird. I'm very stubborn now. Why would it be 401ing? I don't understand. It has everything it needs. Okay. So if I go back to here and send it this, maybe it can identify what the problem is.
Did you just show your API key?
No, I didn't. As far as I know. So I have a feeling this is the way that it's being passed to the API. That's the problem. Where is the request to the Etsy API? That should not be happening. Oh, that's new. I didn't realize that. Look, you can say improve or explain. Oh. It's a new feature on Claude. That's pretty cool. So if I say explain, no, it just does it automatically. It's not what I wanted. God damn, this is frustrating. There's no reason for this not to work. That's a really weirdly... Hey, I'm Shabby Question Teller, and says this as when you build a website and also convert the pages into, do you do a new website URL or the same one? The same one. At what point am I connecting to the Etsy API? I don't understand why it's saying that. At no point do I connect to the Etsy API. I'm so close. I know that this is so close to being finished. It's just, for some reason, this is giving me a 401. It shouldn't be. I can even see this. This is correct. This is all correct. It's so frustrating. How do I copy this entire thing? Yeah, no problem. Looks like Search GPT is being released. Interesting. It appears that not going when trying to make requests, in case I do see incorrect messaging in the search field. Okay, I guess. Press apply. But then the problem is it just says existing code now. Oh no, it doesn't. It's okay. Okay, let's try that. Still bloody says unauthorized. Please check your credentials. Go off my screen. absolute mess. This just doesn't seem to want to work. Wait. Yeah, it says right there, username. Why is this not working? You can go on my screen again. It needs to tell me if the .m file is in the right place. I hate it when it does this. Oh, did I not install? Oh my god. Please don't tell me that was the problem the entire time. Okay, no, good. I'm glad that wasn't the problem the whole time. I do like this composer thing, it's pretty cool. How do I accept this? Oh, it's already there, I guess. Oh my god, I don't even have fucking. Oh my. Obviously, it's not gonna work. It's so stupid of me. It doesn't have .env on it. Of course, it's not gonna fucking work. Jesus Christ. That's the line that's missing right there. Oh no. Oh, there is that line. What do you mean? Go off my screen? Oh. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Yeah, no. Wait. Let me just put this information in. Now it's just personal. Now I have to finish this shit. Like, Absolute bastard. It's impossible.
Quota exceeded.
No, it's not that. That's just some bullshit. You can go back on my screen. So the problem is in API.ts, line 48. No, that's not what that means. Etsy QFiner.tsx, data for SEO. Oh, it's at search Etsy, right. So the problem is at search Etsy, which is here. Why is this saying unauthorized? I have my .env set up. Incorrect credentials, obviously. None of these are the issue. Okay, yeah, go off my screen for 1 sec. I'm just going to try and manually set these feckin' things because this is really getting to me. I just need to know if this is the problem or what the fuck the problem is. So I'm just removing .env if you're curious what I'm doing. And I'm just using it without .env for 1 second. Wait, don't go on my screen. If this works, I'm going to cry because this whole time it's just been .env. Goddamn .env. Okay, let's try this shit. No, it still says failed. What? That's crazy. I just said it. Wait. But that doesn't make any sense, man. What the fuck, dude? Wait. That's literally what it says right there, right? Ends in 08. It's not possible. Hang on. Bro, what the fuck? They're not invalid credentials. Like, what do you mean? Huh? Just give me 2 seconds before you go back. I'm just getting pissed off. I've done this a million times. Hang on. God, this is painful, like. I might have to admit defeat soon. It's just not working. I knew I shouldn't have done Next.js. Can you show my screen? Wait. Yeah, you can show it. No, you can. Yeah. Oh, God. Well, guys, I definitely tried. We're getting somewhere. I'll have to work out what the hell the problem is here.
So let's just give a somewhat in-depth
Somewhat in depth.
rundown of what you've done this stream.
Pretty much nothing.
You can.
Well, I've tried to make a keyword tool for Etsy using this logic here of trying to find these stickers. It should have been a really simple and easy process of just doing something like this and then making it into code. But for whatever reason, I don't know what the reason is, I can't seem to connect to this API. The idea was to take each of these, so like you can see here, this is a listing. For example, this is just a named one, so it's not the best example. Let me just find a good example. Yeah, emotional support water bottle. So let's say you're looking for an idea for a sticker to stick on Etsy. This is getting sales every single day, you can see here. This would be a really, really good design to make. And then just curious, emotional support water bottle. So there are 1,000 results, so it is a fairly... Hi there, I want to learn to code like you. What, really, really badly? How did I learn? I learned just self-taught. I'm completely self-taught. How did I learn? I don't really know how I learned. Just playing around with things, I guess, would be the way to describe it. Maybe if I hit this button enough times, it'll work. Oh, wait. It's here somewhere, the issue, maybe. Anyway, I'm not going to get caught up in this. I'll be back, guys, tomorrow. I'm going to keep going with this. I am determined to make this work. It's just it takes a little bit of time. But yeah, we'll end the stream there, I think. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're watching all the way to the end, then I don't know why you've just watched that, but fair enough. And yeah, I'll see you soon with some more content. Peace out.